Hey, what's up guys? It's Alan at Mad Welds, and today I just wanted to share with you my greenhouse shop idea, which is extremely affordable for anyone out there with very tight pockets and still want to have a place that they can go and do some work in, or just have a place to go and chill by yourself. But I use it for, honestly, welding. So I got my own little welding shop for under $100 bucks. The one I got is, I'll put a link at the bottom, from Amazon. This one was, I think, on sale for $60. It has 2 opened up windows on both sides, one on each side. And it has a full roll-up door. So easy access, plenty of open air. So let me take you inside and show you how I got it set up. Alright, and here's it opened up, so you can see how I got it inside. So what I did is, for the flooring, I got this waterproof moisture blocker, and I got that laid out on the whole bottom. And then I got on the bottom underneath my welding table, I got this gray fire retardant mat, and I got that on the whole backside just to protect from sparks and any type of fires from happening. Then I got a 1/2 inch thick rubber mat where I'm sitting, standing, and then I got a couple of the smaller fiberglass fire retardant. And then around my welding table, I got that kind of centered, but I kept it about 1.5 feet from the back, and I draped a 6x8 welding blanket, which I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. I draped it around my actual table, that way to kind of confine everything. And then I got a little ventilation just hooked up, so I plug it in and have that extra ventilation. A light if I want to mess around down here at night. Yeah, and I do I do TIG welding down here. I MIG weld, grind, cut, This is my little mini shop. And you got plenty of room for a 6x8. I got plenty of room. Usually I don't have 2 compressors in here. I'm just working on this guy right now. But yeah, for under $100 bucks, you can have a cheap greenhouse, as long as you have, for whatever you need. Storage, a place to, little workshop, whatever you'd like. But hope this video helped you guys and gave you maybe some creative ideas of your own that are extremely affordable. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and like and subscribe and share. Peace.